on, viewers and the subscribers, welcome back to another video on Wull. So me I gotta ask you to subscribe if on the first time, cause we are gonna talk about where the description of the video say.
Mes amis, en direct, pendant ma fête sport comme ça, heureusement pour moi, côté moi il pas tombé. Mais un gros tremblement de terre qui peut passer au Kaila. Pour que tu te calmes, pour ça moi, c'est équivalent de 12 janvier. Merci bon Dieu que ça va tomber. Moi ça me fait, me courir, mal camper devant un qui est écrasé, parce que moi il va écraser il bat toujours. Mais bah yo du, donc moi même moins bien, même bon qu'on a rien encore.
Alright guys, so earlier today a 7.2 magnitude earthquake struck Haiti guys. Jano living over there devastated. Man I go tell no lie. The first earthquake we did pass through they did actually damage the place more drastically. But that one yeah, it kinda affect the place. Man I go tell no lie in enough ways, you see me? And we Jamaican did have a after effect from it to said way, and even though me did sleep at such time, said we if anything for mama could have dead in my sleep, you see me? Yeah, but it's serious guys in a sense where we have to pray for Haiti said we want to make our local country, them our local ethnicity, black people, them have to go through it. So you see me? Then again, somebody have to get it, I understand it could have been we same way, but something about Haiti guys we me now go in right now. But pray for them, you see me? Yes, I'm just want to inform the people them who are search for the earthquakes that are going right now at Haiti, you see me? So enjoy the live video with Spice, you see me? Yeah guys, so I got explain how she met the world boss Vibes Cartel aside.
But I bring me go meet him, you know, say killer come down at Old Britain. Come from Old Britain at Portmore.
Right.
And him come on a stage show in my community.
Right.
I'm going to go up on the stage. First of all, them time they killer in a prime.
Right.
And me see the man step on the stage and say, yo, no man to me stage. Who no clear this, play. And be a man start move off of the stage. So me, you know,
right.
Like girl, them time me about 15 or 14. But I remember. I just walk on the stage. I just take the chance. Because I know I'm bad and lyrical long time.
Right.
Walk on the stage and killer say, who? Oh, this or whatever. I say, I mean him Spice.
Right, how are you?
And him give me the mic and give me a chance. Because I say, you girl, if you not bust the crowd right now, you're going to kill you, because you walk on from the stage.
Right.
Time when me I run people off of the stage. And you know, killer give me the mic and I just start spit lyrics like I want to take on the man them on the stage. That time I empower man. You know, Baby Wayne. Some people don't know history and music.
Skelawa.
Baby Wayne they on the stage, Bounty Killer. A coach, I never remember. We know all of them on the stage.
Right.
And I just start clash and it end up that something they take me on. Power man start clash me on the stage. Bounty a spit tune. And that's where I got his respect.
Oh.
That's how I get him respect.
So right there, you just brave up yourself and say, I eat this and either I take a look or run right off of the stage or I'm a win that one, yeah.
Right there, so. And I just said start from. And from that, everywhere him see me, he make sure him come up on the stage because I know he's a lyrical girl, you know?
Right.
So a lot of people don't know, say, I saw me get my name. Get my name from stage show. I don't get it from it song. I start bus crowd from me 15, 16. I go a sting and I stand up and DJ, microphone, sound system.
Know that.
Me is not an artist where write thing and go speak on Instagram. Me I come from sound system days. Live, me I speak.
Yes.
Live lyrics. You understand?
Right.
So
then. Ninja Man then. How you meet Ninja Man?
Same way a stage show, I go and bust up crowd and my name start get popular. Everybody I talk about this little girl named Spice and Ninja Man just get to know me and, you know?
Right.
You know, I don't feel him from him call me up, so I get to meet him.
Come here upon the your live the other day, you tell the people how you meet Shaman and all these things, but Cartel now, how you meet Cartel?
How I meet Cartel?
Yeah.
I don't know if I remember how I meet him, you know, but you know, Portmore him come from and me come from Portmore.
Right.
I think a butler that manage him them time there.
Right. Butler big up yourself. Butler big up.
Cartel did I talk to one of my friends. You know Cartel like the local maga girl. Them bring up Shorty. My always I say big up Shorty because you know we have to big up the loyal woman them. So bring up Short
big
Boss.
up. Short Boss, big up.
But I think if Cartel did I talk to one of my friends or something, you know. If me no member good. Me no member the story.
Spice. Might put the man in a trouble right now, you know.
Him know. Shorty know.
Pussy clot.
Me I tell about a long time something, and I just know what day you something.
You must say to you, so, but you must say, when you mention the part there, I'm going to turn up my screen, I mean, me never there when you say that. You can't say it, no, Spice, say it. You don't know if you talk to her, continue the part again.
Yeah,
me never there.
Look here, you know, say if me not lie, me not sure if me lie, me not want to tell a lie, but I supposed to before that, because I think it's before Shorty, yeah. Because when him and Shorty start talk, me didn't know about him, know of him and everything. So I saw it go. I saw it go true.
So we can circle back then.
Because I remember starting to know him and Shorty attack years, donkey years, you know.
True.
True.
Years, continue then.
From a long time.
Right.
Because
so
I knew him before him boss.
Right.
Remember I knew him before him named Vibes Cartel. Remember I knew him before him named King and I just know.
Right. So the first song with you and him?
Ramping Shop.
Right, so who come up with the idea then?
Him.
The combination there.
I can't tell come up with the idea, I can't tell write the song, I can't tell do everything, I him idea, creative structure, everything. That's why most of the time when, you know, when incarcerated and no people, I say every minute she say Gaza, them don't really understand the level.
I saw people
them
still.
Them know when me did there, and when call me from, and when take me out, to when put me to, me appreciate it. So I don't really listen to the nice and the
I saw people still.
I don't really listen to the excitement. So, remember me there in my yard, I think my son, I don't remember Papi was how much. Because I think that's 2009. And my son born 2007. That means my son was 2 years old. So that means me there in my yard, I struggle with my youth. Not really a go on neither. I remember say, me I do some look 1 and 2 show, but me not hot, buzzy.
Right.
Yeah, and me and him go to Guyana.
Right.
Go do a show in the stadium, I would tear down the show and Wull for something go on. And like him, I say, Mama, you know, so if you do a song, I say, look here, make the link.
Right.
So when he reach back at Jamaica now, me there in my yard and exchange number, I just get a call and the man say, come to studio.
Right.
So when me reach a studio at them time there, Neo song did act buzzy.
Right.
Me don't know if him did realize the ramping track that was so big and have such an impact. Maybe would have put it on an original beat, but it's still me not rang him and put it on a beat there.
Right.
So come mama we could sing for the song, yeah. I'm going to tell you something I never tell nobody yet.
Yeah, talk to me.
When Cartel sing Ramping Shop, oh man, I'm a Ramping Shop, in my head, hear me. Cartel lyrical and spit fast, man. I want me some whining, something, some daggering, something, some fast, something. What the man give me that slow song, yeah? That me say. But me never tell him, because you know the boss me I go and work with it.
Yeah.
And that's a Ramping Shop come from, right? This so.
People, Ramping Shop. Ramping Shop.